Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Altcoin Buzz Trading. The market looks pretty coiled and looks like it wants to go. The question is, will it? Sometimes when the market coils and we have a lot of good setups around, it doesn't always go in the direction we want it to go, or it looks like it's going to go. We're in one of those times right now. Not too much is breaking out as we're speaking, but we do have a lot of things that are setting up looking really good. Bitcoin here staying higher against the 38,000 level. We were spiking into it and then backing away here. Spike, spike, spike. Now we're not spiking down, we're holding up. So we need a little more buying pressure to kind of push us through the finish line. Then Bitcoin is kind of off to the races. But even if Bitcoin doesn't pop up, even if it stays stable, we still have plenty of altcoins that are looking like they're ready to go. Solana is working its way out of this descending trend line, kind of nice and calm up here and just kind of hanging out. We've got Kaspa, which is nearing the end of this symmetrical triangle. It's already kind of played with these highs. And so if it should move upward relatively soon, it does have to make a decision though. It could decide to move lower, in which case we have to wait a little while longer. And it could be a short time or a long time. We'll see what kind of decision they make, if they want to buy it or sell it. But Kaspa is squeezing in a nice tight pattern. AVAX here is looking really tight on the daily time frame. 2147s are alert, and we've been moving up for the past couple of days, holding up against here. It's called flagging. There's also small cup and handle here too. So the other good thing about this market right now is we have chart patterns. Chart patterns imply accumulation. And we have some pretty good chart patterns. These aren't the best ones, but they're really good. And so I want these to work out. If this volume gets really expansive on the way up and then dries up as we go sideways, that's great price action. Chart pattern here would just be a small cup. Really, we haven't really fully formed it to the upside yet, but you know, Kaspa is starting to kind of think about poking up, playing with the top of this trend line. KCS really can't stop, is getting some distribution. Maybe that's a bit of a warning signal for us, but so far it's holding up relatively well. This one didn't have as much volume in it as some of the other ones did. Like, this isn't monster volume like we saw with Kaspa. So we'll see about this one. But we're in a part of the market right now, and Sushiswap just really tight here. Look at how sideways this price action is and how narrow these candles are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 really narrow candles. 6 if you include the one before this wider ranging one that tried to break out. So the market's looking really good right now. All we have to do is wait for our signals to go, wait for the levels to break and volume to step in and go. And that's when you go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, not until then. So have a good day. Wait until they go, and I'll see you tomorrow.